Hello students, welcome to French Learner Group. My name is Poonam, your French language instructor. Today in this video we are going to learn vowels in French, les voyelles. So let's start vowel Y in English, but in French we pronounce it Y. Now here are some examples for the next vowel Y. Y sound is like E as in English li. For example, il y a, which means there is or there are. Next is il n'y a pas, which means there is not and there are not. Next is j'y vais, I am going there. So if you observe here, Y is giving the sound of E. Now in the next video you will learn the sound of vowel H. Keep watching and keep learning. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button for the latest videos. As I am getting lot of queries regarding the personal French classes, so I want to inform you about my Skype classes. My Skype ID is poonam.matlotia@gmail.com. I take Skype classes for school students, college going students, for people who are preparing for DELF exam and the people who are aiming to go to any francophone country. So if you are really interested to take any Skype class, please drop a message along with your query on my Skype ID. You can call me on the given number also. Bon courage et bonne continuation.